Hi friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Avoid Men and You Will Live Longer reveals a 109-year-old woman. At 109 years old, Jessie Gallan was the oldest woman living in Scotland. Before she died, she revealed the main reason for her longevity, which is surprisingly simple and funny. Jessie claimed that she lived healthily and happily because she had the same breakfast every day. It was porridge. But another more interesting reason was that she claimed her long life was happier because she avoided men. She claimed that hiding yourself from men and avoiding them is what you need to be happy and healthy. She also claimed that they aren't worthy and they will only cause trouble for you. Miss Gallan was very independent throughout her whole life. She worked very hard since she was 13 years old because that was the time she left her home. She knew how to fight for herself. She didn't enjoy going to holidays. She was never married. She was a lovely lady that everyone liked because of her positivity. The caregivers at the nursing home where she lived claimed that she was an extraordinary person. Many people are adopting independent lifestyles and focusing on getting what they want from their lives before they ever consider adding a partner to the mix. For some women and men too, they reach a certain age and realize that they have given their best years to their partner and find themselves scrambling to make up for lost time. This often leads to broken relationships, resentment, and even divorce. Instead of focusing your youth on finding someone to spend the rest of your life with, why not turn inward and focus on building yourself up so that you can be your best self when Mr. Right finally comes along. Although the number of marriages is declining, people still long to find life partners to share their adventures and misadventures with. If we all followed Gallan's lead, we might be more mature and responsible in our relationships. Putting our own needs first, becoming who we are meant to be, and building our own health before we focus on others can lead to a great deal of satisfaction, happiness, and independence that can contribute to meaningful and successful relationships in the future. It seems, though, that many people are waiting longer to get into serious relationships, and some people are choosing to live the independent lifestyle for longer and longer. Even 20 years ago, couples were starting families earlier than they do today. It is not uncommon for women to wait until they are nearly 40 years old before even considering having a baby. So if you are in the market for some lifelong and prosperous advice, take it from Jessie Gallan and leave relationships out of your life for as long as possible. They will just slow you down and steal your focus away from the other amazing things you could be doing with your life. And if you are going to be in a relationship, give it your full attention. Be the best damn partner you can be. Because sharing your life with someone is difficult and amazing, but living your life to the fullest can be much more amazing and fulfilling in the end. So eat your porridge and steer clear of men or relationships in general if you want to live a longer life. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.